Hi everyone, this is Amit Kumar. Today I will discuss about the bond order. So students, the topic name is bond order. The key point is bond order means how many number of bonds present in molecule or compound. This is the key point for the bond order. So students, generally the bond order formula is that bond order equal to bonding molecular orbital electrons minus anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons by 2. This is the simple formula for the bond order. So some of the students having the many difficulties calculating for the bond order, but students, I have some special methods for you. Just see here method first. So students, if any example having the range 1 to 10 electrons, then you will calculate with the help of method first. So just see example here, helium 2 positive. So some examination questions is that helium 2 positive, and you can find the bond order with the help of method first. So students, first you calculate the number of electrons. So how many number of atoms? 2. And what is the atomic number of helium? 2. Clear? And the how many positive charge? So positive charge means simply donate the electron. Donate the electron means subtract these type electrons. So here 4 minus 1. So the final answer is 3. Clear? So method first is simply BA. Clear? So B means bonding, A means anti-bonding, and another B means bonding, and the last A means anti-bonding. So students, every bonding, anti-bonding, bonding and anti-bonding having the maximum 2 electrons capacity. So we have 3 electrons. So first you fill the electrons here 2, and how much remaining electrons? 1. And then after that you will write the formula and put these value in the formula. So how much bonding electrons, how much? 2, and the anti-bonding how much? 1 and by 2. So simply the answer will be 0.5. Clear? And what about the helium? Simple. If the helium molecule is there, no positive or no negative charge is there in this example. So how much? Number of atom 2, and the atomic number is 2. So the 4 is the total electrons in the helium. So now calculate the bond order. First write the B. B means bonding, anti-bonding, bonding and anti-bonding. So every bonding and anti-bonding having the only 2 electrons capacity. So first you write the electrons like that and write the formula. Put these values in the formula. 2 minus 2 by 2. So it will come 0. So that's why the question is that why helium is not from the dimer form. So that is the main reason, because of bond order is 0. That's why helium can't form the dimer form. Clear? So I think you are, I hope you understand the method first. Now come to the method second. The method second is that overlapping method. Method second, overlapping method. Clear? So this is the special name for the method second, which is overlapping method. So students, if you are taking the example O2, so we know the structure of O2. Clear? So how many number of bonds? 2. So that's why number of bonds also known as bond order. So what is the final answer for the O2 molecule is 2. So how to calculate the bond order with the help of overlapping method? So first you write the electronic configuration of both 2 oxygen. So oxygen having the number 8. So it will come 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Same for the other oxygen, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Clear? So students, first to draw the p orbitals. Clear? So p orbitals, how much orbit is there in the p subshell? 3. So this is our bonding molecular orbital and this is our anti-bonding molecular orbital. Clear? So students, first you calculate the total number of p electrons. So how much? 8. First you fill the electrons in the bonding molecular orbitals. If you completed fill the bonding molecular orbital, then you go to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. So how much? 4. So first you fill the p orbitals. So the maximum capacity is 6 and after that 7 and 8. Clear? So now using the formula, bond order equal to bonding electron. How much bonding electron? 6 minus. How much anti-bonding? Only 2 by the formula is 2. Clear? So 6 minus 2, that means 4 by 2. So it will come 2. So what is the final answer? 2. And what is the cross answer is only 2. So that is the verification for the overlapping method. So simply you can apply any example and after that you will get easily bond order values. Clear? So I hope you understand this example. Now come to the next example. Example 2. For the CO. CO means carbon monoxide. So carbon and oxygen. How much? 6 and 8. So it will come 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. And the another oxygen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. So calculate the total electrons. It is C. 6. So 6 means first you draw the antibonding and bonding orbits like that. So what is the final electrons? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in the bonding molecular orbital you have the 6 electrons and anti-bonding molecular orbital having no electrons. So then apply the bond order formula. So how much bonding electrons? 6 and the anti-bonding how much? 0 by 2. So 3 is the final answer for the CO molecule. Clear? So this is our final answer according to method 2. So now come to the third method. It is very shortcut method for the IIT and NEET examination and etc. Clear? So students, this is our bond order formula. If you are using the formula, you apply the method first and method second. Clear? So if you are calculating with the help of method first and second, then you will take at least 1 or 2 minutes. But if you want answer within 3 and 4 seconds, clear? 3 and 4 seconds, so apply the method third. Clear? So apply the method third, which is triangle method. So the special name is triangle method. Clear? So in this case, here is 14 electrons, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and the final is 20. 8, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Clear? So this is our triangle and the fixed point is that 14. So for the 14, if the total electron is 14, the bond order is 3.0. If the 15, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5 and 1.0, 0.5 and 0.0. Clear? Same for the 8 oxygen 0.0 and 0.5, another one 1.0, 1.5, 2.0 and the another one is 2.5. So this is the values. If you calculating the total electrons, then easily you can write the bond order values. So students, I already explained the O2 molecules. So what is the bond order? So simply 2. Clear? So students, first you calculate the O2 molecule total electrons. How much? 2 into the atomic number is 6. Total is 16. So 16 means, in this case 16 means how much bond order? 2.0. So in this case also we already find the bond order is 2, that is 2.0. Clear? If you are calculating the N2, so if you are writing the N2 molecule structure and triple bonded, so how much bond order is 3. So first you calculate the number of electrons. 2 into 7, that means 14. So 14's for the 14 electrons, how much bond order is 3, and the verification is, you can see like that. Clear? So I hope you understand all these methods. Clear? And it is very useful for the competitive examination like IIT, JEE and NEET, DO entrance, AMU, AKTU, etc. Clear? So students, I hope you understand, and finally all the best.